What's up, gentlemen and ladies? Welcome to another episode on this channel where here we love to talk about the things that help us win in life. And speaking of winning in life, one of the things that a lot of us nowadays enjoy the most is going out for adventures. Today we have right here the Ford Ranger Raptor, which has been very popular to enthusiasts because it not only is a great lifestyle truck or a daily driver, but it also is a high performance truck which you could bring over the weekend to enjoy your off-roading and trailing and all of the adventures that you want to do, so that, like I said, you could enjoy your life to the full. I can't wait to talk about this with you guys, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy. So let's start with your engine. Recently, Ford Philippines just released its 3.0 liter V6 version, but what we have right now is the 2.0 liter bi-turbo diesel. For your maximum power, you have 210 PS at 3,750 RPM. And for your torque, you have 500 Newton meters at 1,750 to 2,000 RPM. Of course, you have a 4x4 10-speed automatic transmission with e-shifter. So to continue with your hood, you have these functional hood fenders right here, which are really good. They just don't add beauty, but they are functional. That's really nice. And you have this C-type LED headlights with your camera in the front and this beautiful honeycomb grille together with your FORD lettering that just really helps you stand out on the roads. To continue, here below you have your LED fog lights and your front sensors, guys, which is, I really love that for a pickup truck. And you have your two tow hooks and of course your skid plate so that you could be protected on your adventures. For your wheels, guys, you have this nice looking 17-inch alloy wheels with 285 by 70 BF Goodrich tires, all terrain, which is really convenient for either your lifestyle or your leisure. And for your front suspension, you have double wishbone with Fox shock absorbers. And for your rear, you have coil spring with still you have your Fox shock absorbers, which means you will be having a great comfortable ride wherever you go with this one. To continue on with your side profile, you have this very wide step boards, guys, which makes riding this vehicle very accessible. And with your side mirrors, you have the signal repeaters as well, and your cameras for your 360-degree panoramic view. Body color side mirrors, and at the top you don't see any roof rails. For your door handles, you have body color door handles, which you can put accessories if you want to. So just a quick look of your rear profile. Of course, I love this Raptor decals, which really stands out. Okay, for your rear view. And then you have this beautiful LED tail lights, guys, and your third brake light at the middle. And then, of course, you have your Ranger nameplate stamped just below your Ford logo together with your reverse camera, which is very well hidden. To continue below, you have your rear sensors and then these very beautiful bumpers, okay, with a dark gray finish. And then I like that it has this edge-to-edge sensors, which still gives you that assurance in turning and parking. And again, you have two tow hooks here below, guys. And then lastly, your spare tire here below, which is always a very important piece that you should always have. Going back here at the top, you have shark fin antenna, and then you have this bed liner as well with the Ford logo. You have a wide enough truck bed, and here at the left side, you have this power outlets, which are very helpful for your camping. At least you have power with you all the time. And then at the right side, you have these instructions as well to take care of your vehicle. So now let's try to open your truck doors. Okay. All right. So far, you have assisted tailgates. Okay, which is really good to have. All right. As you can see, you can carry it at least in a somewhat lighter manner. So as we close it, you can see here as well your slots for your C-clamp. Alright, that's really good for doing some work as well. Alright, as you can see as well, you have your Raptor badge over at the right side. I really like that emblem. So now that we've finished our exterior look, now let's go inside and see what we have for your interior, right? So right away, you can see this very impressive orange accents, signature for your Ranger Raptor. Very wide opening, I really like it. So let's start here. Over at your left side, you have your lock and unlock for your doors. Premium quality materials right here, guys, for your elbows. Love it. And then you have this door latch, very clever with Ford, what they've done here. Your controls for your side mirrors, folding and folding. And then you have this bottle holder as well in a space here below, together with your speakers. Very great materials used right here, guys. So as you can see, you have this, you'll be greeted once again with this orange accents. And another thing that will greet you as you ride your car is this Raptor badge as well on your steering wheels. Okay, on the left side, you have your nice looking aircon vents with the orange accents. Below, you have your controls for your hood and your headlights as well. That's really nice. And then for your accelerator and brakes, you just have the regular ones. And then over here at the right side, you have your electronically adjustable power seats, okay, with support for your back and for your thigh. I really like that. That's an extra comfort given to you by Ford. All right, very nice looking seats, guys, leather wrapped with bolsters and support for your sides, again with the Raptor badge. Personally, I think that this is one of my favorite seats for any cars today, guys. So as a Ranger Raptor owner, what does your key fob look like? It does look like this. It has your Raptor logo, and I'm very impressed that they went for the bigger size key fob. So now let's go inside your truck. This is your POV. Okay, very comfortable once you get inside, and very easy access with your grab handle as well. So this is your interior for your Ford Ranger Raptor. What do you think, guys, of your console, of your overall look for your interior? Let me know in the comments below. It really feels good in here, guys. I love the overall feeling, okay, with the combination of the materials used and the colors as well. So let's start here at the top. You have your auxiliary buttons for the lights and accessories that you'll be installing. You have your sunglass holder. You have your lights right here. Of course, LEDs. All right, very nice. And then auto dimming rear view mirrors. Very good as well. And then grab handles for both sides. You have that for your driver and passenger. Very good. I really love as well that you have two compartments right here, guys, with the one at the top has suede material used. And then let's get back to that in a moment. You have this place right here for your phones or things that you have for your passenger. And then this reptile look material that Ford gave to us so that we could be reminded that it's a Raptor, okay? It's a bit disappointing that it doesn't have a hydraulics for your glove compartment, but yeah, it doesn't matter that much, I guess. Then you have here at the top, you have another compartment for your things as well. Again, with the suede material, that's just very premium. Okay, so now it's time to talk about, I believe, the star of the show for any Ford vehicles. You have, specifically for the Raptor, you have this 12-inch digital instrument cluster, which allows you to control a lot of the settings of the vehicle. It even allows you to control your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even be entertained when you get stuck in traffic, stuff like that. And of course, you have 360-degree cameras as well, very nice resolution. Everything you can see here in the truck, which really makes the drive very comfortable and very enjoyable. Okay, so now let's go over to your aircon controls. You have knob type, which is actually I like it, very easy to control while you're driving. Then you have dual zone, I believe. And then here below you have wireless charging pad and two USB slots, one USB-C and one type A. And then you have this little handle right here and a slot as well, maybe for your phone, another maybe a smaller phone or some coins. And then right here, guys, for your gear shifter, I really like the form factor of this one. Okay, it's very unique, and then it looks very modern, very high-tech looking. All right, you have your PRND, and then once you start shifting your gears, guys, it just really feels like a gaming mouse. All right, it's just, you know, it feels like you're gonna do like quite some gaming, which just really matches the feel of the car, because indeed you're gonna have some fun with this one. To continue on, you have this large cup holders right here, and then you have here your control for your four-wheel drive modes. Okay, and then electronic parking brakes, and then you have some more buttons right here for your other driving modes, such as like changing the terrains, and then one extra slot that doesn't have any function. Now for your center armrest, guys, I love how wide it is, and a great leather used as well. And then you have this tray, okay, which you could put some coins, and then you have this deep enough or large enough cubby hole together with a power outlet for your needs in terms of power. You always have that. And then going back at the top, you have your for your sun visor, you have a mirror. At least you have that for your passenger, right? And then for the driver's side as well, you have a mirror as well. So that's really good. And then now let's go over to your steering wheels. You have this red line at the middle, signature for the Raptor. Okay, red orange, I believe, and then still the same red orange accents all over your steering wheel with the stitchings. And then here at the left side, guys, you have your controls for your cruise control, and then some volumes, and for your voice command as well, and then other driving safety features, advanced driving features. And then at the right side, you have your controls as well for your instrument panel, and then you have very nice metal paddle shifters, guys. Just thinking about this makes me want to drive this car right now. So yeah, that's really great for a high performance truck like this. This is just really gonna be fun to drive. Wow. So for your headroom, okay, excellent amount of headroom. Okay, very nice. And then for your leg space as well, I feel really comfortable over here. So now let's get down from your front row and let's head over to your second row seats. What do we have there? Is it gonna be good enough for us? Right, so now still you're gonna be greeted with the orange accents. Then you have that plastic material but leather paddings right here for your passengers at the back, and then still that clever door latch with the Ford signature. And then okay, you have this grab handle as well, which is very helpful for our back passengers. Okay, and then you have still this very premium leather quality materials for your seats, and then still like a suede material over at the center. So now let's hop on to your second row. By the way, you have some step seals, which is really good. Offers some protection for your paint. So now let's close it up. And then right here is a quick look of your interior as a second row passenger. What do you think, guys? So you have here pockets, okay, single pockets, and then you have your second row aircon vents as well. Nice looking vents, really, guys. I really like that, the one they did with Ford right here. Love these designs. And then of course you have your power outlets as well, so that your second row passengers could still charge their devices. Okay, and in terms of your center tunnel, guys, I think it's not that high compared to the other ones that I've tried. Okay, of course you have your black headliner and some map lights as well for your cabin. Okay, now okay, for your center armrest here at the second row, very nice looking leather armrest with two cup holders. I just really love this right here, guys, as a second row passenger. Really feels premium. So from the other side, this is how it looks. And then let me just show you some of the other functionalities as well for your Ranger Raptor. Okay, what I like is that it folds flat right here, which is really nice, right? Okay, and then at the side you have some space as well for your tools, where you can hide some other things. Then let's put it back. And then for your side pockets as well here, guys, you actually have pockets here for your second row at the middle. And then this is how it looks like when you open the compartment below the second row seats, which helps you store or hide some important things. So the great thing about the Ranger Raptor, guys, is it doesn't just look good, but it is jam-packed with a lot of advanced driver features. So here's your list, and some of my favorite is, of course, the number one is the 360-degree panoramic view. And because of your front cameras and front sensors, that means that you have a pre-collision assist, which just very helps with like emergency situations. The tire pressure monitoring is a very welcome feature as well. So there are very many things about this Ranger Raptor in terms of the advanced features and as well as the safety features. So what are the perks or the benefits if you're gonna be owning one and you're gonna be buying one from the Ford dealership? Of course, they have this peace of mind package. Okay, you can see right here. And of course, you have your Ford Pass, which is the mobile app that they use, very convenient for remote locking and unlocking and all the other things you can do with just your mobile phone. So how much will you be paying for this car? So when you go to Ford's website, as of the making of this video, you have 2,345,000 pesos. And then for your color options, you have the Command Gray, Code Orange, Blue Lightning, Absolute Black, Arctic White, and lastly your Conquer Gray. I really like either the black or the Code Orange, which really stands out. How about you guys? Let me know your choice of color in the comments below. Overall, aside from this thing being the meanest looking, the baddest looking pickup truck out there, it is equipped with a lot of advanced features, which makes it a great lifestyle and a high performance truck. No wonder why a lot of people are falling in love with this car. If you enjoyed this video, consider to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below your thoughts. And check out the link on the description for my best product recommendations just for you. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first, all of the things that we need will be added unto us, and that's when we truly win in life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.